Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today is a good one because we are finally getting the BMW fixed. After this, we should not see anything from the accident anymore. So I'm very happy. We're driving to my garage as always. He's gonna realign the doors that they perfect fit. The tint is done. It wasn't really worth filming that because I just dropped the car and picked it up again, and the tint was done and ready. The tint is already done, so really not that special. But they're also gonna replace the side skirt and and also reinstall the Maxon design kit. So yeah, after all that hassle, the car will be in perfect shape again, as if nothing happened except the rim, because they will give me €100 for that. Well, yeah, maybe I get it repaint, maybe not. Still not sure. Anyway, guys, see you when I'm there. Okay, we are repairing the car. Looking good. So my garage finally fixed the door, and you can still see a little bit of color difference, but that's a little bit dirty, that panel, and that needs to get polished, and then difference will be much smaller. But yeah, the car is finally back in its original shape. Everything is great again, so I am very happy with the result. We have a new side skirt, and the new doors are also aligned, so they fit perfectly as they should. The alignment is spot on. So it was a little bit of a hassle, but at least they got everything right. The only thing on the car is the new side skirt actually has a little bit of a different form as my other one, so I'm getting the other side repainted. As you can see, this one, and it's weird, it's from the same website as the older one, but this one has more here, a lot more round form. As you can see, it's a little bit more round, and on the other side, that's a loud car. On the other side, it's flat, but it doesn't fit in that well. I mean, there is a little bit, a fitment issue, while the other side has no fitment issue. It's not OEM shape, but it sits pretty good actually. I mean, there's just a little poke, but really not that much. So I brought the other side skirt in to get that one painted. Also, so I can have two identical side skirts, because it bothers me a little bit to have the two different forms. But yeah, it's gonna be nice when everything is spot on. I mean, the side is fixed, so don't get me wrong, the side is fixed, so that's a good part. But now it's actually just installing the M doors, the M seats. I mean, M doors are already installed. The interior trim, and also the black roof line, and then the other side skirt. So those are the next things that I have to do, and then so getting the trim wrapped, and when that's done, everything should be fine. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye.